Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we have a surprise, a fluke, if you will. Okay, I'm not even gonna tell you what it is. Let's just get straight into the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Y'all, guess what I found? Okay, so first, backstory real quick. Hey sisters, my bad. I'm just jumping all in because I'm so excited. But listen, I was cleaning out my wigs. Well, first of all, I have like a bin in the closet that like has my most grabbed, most worn kind of wigs. So that bin is usually pretty up to date. But I have plastic bins under the bed that have like just other wigs and hair and all kind of stuff. So I was like, let me like go through this stuff because I'm trying to make room. I have a bunch of like just crochet hair, whatever. So I went through that stuff and look what I found. You're seeing that right, sisters? This is a half wig, a kinky straight half wig. Oh my God, I feel like I just found some gold. Like I am gagged. I wish I would have found this in the fall because I don't really wear my hair out that much during these couple of seasons that's about to come. But, well, about to come. It's already spring right now and the summer coming. But like a half wig, a kinky straight half wig. I'm so excited. So that's what we're going to be styling today is Miss Mama's. I already blew her out. Now, she could be dirty as I don't know what. That ain't my problem. I did not wash it because I can't even remember having this. I went through all of my like content and stuff to try to see like who this is from, because don't ask me who it's from because I don't know. There have been many times where like I'll agree to do a video with a company and then like sometimes I'll get the stuff and then once I try it out it's like I don't have anything nice to say, so it's best to just, you know, kill this collaboration. So sometimes like the video just never goes through because like I don't want to post a video where I'm just like talking negative the entire time about something. So I'm like, I hope that's not the case with this where like it just was an awful experience, but it feels nice. I don't know what, like I don't know how that would be the case. It feels nice. I've, like I said, already blown it out. It's one I could tell that this is like an old school half wig though, because like of how the construction is. So I cannot tell you where this is from. Let's get into styling. Okay, so First of all, I definitely feel like I left out a bit too much hair. This is not like, I wouldn't want to have this much hair left out. I may take some hair out tomorrow. Like, I mean, well, not take some hair out, put some hair up. Take some hair from the hair that's out and put it up, because I just feel like it's a little bit too much hair left out for me. Like, I don't want this much hair left out. I should have used some sort of like holding spray, because the curls are already on their way out. Like, these, I didn't want them to be like super curl anyway, but I wanted them to hold a little bit more than they are right now. Another thing, this, I don't like the construction of this half wig, because like the sides have nothing to kind of like hold on to, and so the wig is kind of like pulling back a little bit on the sides, and I don't love that for me. Other than that, I love it. I think it's so beautiful and so pretty. I thought, like, when I said I was gonna cut it, I really imagined it being shorter than this. I'm kind of glad that I didn't, because I like this length. Like, it's not too long. Like, the other one is like really long. This one is not that long, and if I want to, I can go in and like cut it down a bit, because I kind of envisioned it like coming like right here. But it's a game changer for sure. Like, I have unlocked something, and I cannot wait until it's time for me to actually be wearing my hair out. Even though with this, low-key, you don't need to have no hair out. You could literally just put this on and put a headband on. Like, you know, fix your edges if you choose to, but like, you know, pull your hair back in the front and then pop this on and put a headband on. You can wear it like that too. This is why you have to clean out your stuff. This is why you have to go through your things. This is why you have to organize your things, because you might find some gems. And so I have a half wig now. But that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was kind of like impromptu. Once I found the wig, I was like, I have to come talk to the girls and show the girls, and then style the wig with the girls, because like, hello, I found a gem. So I just wanted to show y'all, style it real quick. I'm gonna go. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I wish I had some sort of link for you or something like that, but by now I'm sure you have a kinky straight wig that you love. I'm the one that's like late to the party and didn't have one, so no link. I don't even know where it's from. Like I said for the 100th time, I don't even know where it's from, so don't bother asking me. But I will catch y'all in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.